Hello. If you think I'm a common man and what impact can data science create on me in my day to day life, then watch this video till the end. You will learn how data science plays an important role in simplifying the life of a common man. Welcome to Data Science Recommendation System. What is a recommendation system? Let us start with online shopping. During an online shopping, the system recommends products that we might be interested in. People tend to like things in the same category or things that share the same characteristics. The basic idea of recommendation systems is to utilize these patterns and similar behaviors of people to help in predicting what else they may like. A simple example. If somebody liked to watch Guardians of the Galaxy as he likes science fiction movies, then there is more possibility that he may like to watch Star Wars as the genre is same. Let us discuss more about the recommendation system in e-commerce industries. As every one of us come across e-commerce recommendation engine which provides us with a personalized web page when we visit every time. What is a personalized web page? If we assume in terms of physical store, it is like a separate store for each customer. For example, if a website is having 100 customers, then it is like having 100 stores, one for each customers. Sections like top trending products in fashion, other trending products will give us such experience. Now, the application of recommendation systems. Recommendation system has redefined our lives in many ways. Think about this. The recommendation we are getting for where to buy, what to eat, and the personalized websites that we discussed already, which job to apply for, and whom to friend with. Now we understand that recommendation system is not only in e-commerce companies but also in many other industries like entertainment and music, gaming, news, articles and advertisements, and education. Let us discuss the recommendation system in entertainment and news industry. Movies that we watch in OTT like Netflix is driven by customer selection. If a certain movie gets frequently viewed, OTT's recommendation system ensures that that movie gets an increasing number of recommendations. News that we read online. The recommendation system that make note of the types of stories that we clicked on a news platform and make future recommendations on the stories we might be interested. Advantages of recommendation system from the customer perspective. Customers are getting personalized product recommendations and experiencing website personalization. And the recommendation system helps new and infrequent visitors through the broad list of recommendations, understands the preferences of each visitor, and showing the most relevant products in real time. As the engine learns more about each visitor, it leads to better website personalization through improvement in recommendations. Recommending visitors with real-time messages and offers that user might be interested in and thus providing a better user experience. Now, the advantages from the service provider perspective. Using recommendation systems, the service provider can send real time notifications and offer personalized loyalty programs and other offers. Thus, the companies build trust with their customers. As it is possible to customize recommendations based on real time interactions with each customer, companies can give personalized offers, thus inviting them back to purchase and builds a long term relationship with the user. Let us now discuss how this recommendation system works in real time. It works in three phases: data collection, ratings, and filtering. In data collection, for example, if a user of a website is browsing for a product, each time the user clicks on a link, an event is fired, and that event make an entry into a database, which usually a NoSQL database. Like user A clicked product X details once. Events are fired almost in every cases, like when a user is liking a new product or adding it to a cart and purchasing it. But this is one part of data collection. Now the rating. Recommendation system assign implicit ratings based on user actions. For example, purchasing can be assigned a rating of 4, likes can get 3, clicking can get 2, and so on. It can also take into account on the ratings and feedback provided by the user. Then the filtering. Based on filtering, there are three types of recommendation systems: content based recommendation system, collaborative recommendation system, and the hybrid approach. Hybrid approach is the one which is using both the content based and collaborative filtering methods. Now, what is content based filtering? Content based system finds all the favorite aspects of an item for the particular user and then make recommendations on items that share similar aspects. User browsing history, likes, purchases, and ratings are taken into account, like we discussed in data collection. For example, if an article 1 is read by the user and then some other article 2 which is having similar aspects like article 1 will be recommended to the same user. What is collaborative filtering? Collaborative filtering finds similar groups of users and provide recommendations based on similar tastes within the group. Here, the behavior of group of users is used to make recommendations to other users. For example, if user 1 and user 2 both reads article 1 and 2, and after some time if user 1 reads article 3 also, then the same article 3 will be recommended to the other user too. Hope you got an understanding about recommendation systems. This is a high level overview of the recommendation system. For more videos on data science, please subscribe my channel and click notification icon. If you like the content, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends. Thank you.